Hey, boys and girls, it's time to code. But seriously, let's look at the first part of the project, Boolean variables and relational operators. Okay, so in the lesson, let me scroll up to the top. Okay, um, if statements allow us to branch in our code, so basically our code can make decisions. If something's true, we go one way and false the other. So in a Boolean expression is something that's either true or false. And the relational operators compare two numbers. So equals equals says, hey, are they the same? Not equals says, hey, are these two different? And then we have less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than equal to. Okay. So our first program, we want to look at these comparisons. So here's part one starter code. I'm going to open that up and I'm going to fork it. Okay. There we go. All right. So it's loading. Okay. What this program does is let me run it as it is. It lets me type in two numbers, like let me type in 5 and 22. So it's going to compare all 6 relational operators. Hey, is 5 the same as 22? True or false? Is 5 not equal to 22? True or false? Now notice they're all coming out to 0 because that's the way it's coded right now. So let's have them, instead of reporting 0, report true or false. So you might be wondering, why is it reporting true or false? Well, right now the answer is C for number 1. I don't want to report 0. I want to do the comparison. Does A equal B? So are A and B the same number? And up here you can see that A and B are the two numbers we enter. So this says, hey, is A the same as B? For 5 and 22, that would be false. So C is false. Whereas if we're 5 and 5, that would be true. Now, the parentheses are optional, but I'm going to put them around there just so it looks readable. So this says, hey, is A the same as B? True or false? Oh, true. So C is true. So let me run this, see if the first one's working. Okay, let me try 5 and 5. So notice it reports true because 5 equals 5. Let me try like 8 and 11. 8 equals 11, that's false. Okay, so basically we want to do the 6 comparisons. So all these zeros, let's change those. So D, instead of being 0, I want to do not equal. So remember in code it's A exclamation equal. So that's like slash equal B, that's not equal. Okay, and let me try that one. Let me try 5 and 7. Okay, so notice number 1, does 5 equal 7? False. But are they not equal? That's true. Whereas if I do 10 and 10, now it's going to be the reverse. Okay, they are equal. Not equals? False. Okay, so and then essentially you do all the other comparisons. So E is going to be A is less than B. F is going to be A is greater than B. G will be A is less than or equal to B. And H is A is greater than or equal to B. Okay, so that's essentially it. Let me just run one. So let me try something like 99 and 11. Okay, so no matter what numbers you pick, half of them are going to be true and half are false. So 99, you can see which ones are true and which ones are false. Let me pick two equal numbers like 17 and 17. So again, half of them are true and half of them are false. Okay, so that is how you code it. So we basically, instead of them all being 0, for each variable, we did a Boolean comparison, which yielded either true or false. Okay, this is Mr. Hicks signing off for part 1, Boolean variables and relational operators. It's time to shut up and code.